Hey, welcome to day 52. I'm in a little bit of a hurry because the sun sets in 10 minutes and I'm hurrying because I'm flying out tomorrow and I want to catch the sunset for the last time before I leave. Also, this will be my last little time on this cute little dock for a long time. So I'm super excited about that. Quick update on how today went. I had chicken and avocado for lunch. This is how it went. For lunch, I'm having chicken and avocado. I have a few more frying in here. Yum, yum, yum. Some people are talking to me. Hi. Yeah, it's my workout. Okay, yeah. I drank all my water. I drank 3 bottles today. Probably drink another one. It's only 8 o'clock at the moment, so likely I will not be drinking any more water. This is the last week of summer, so there's a bunch of people here and they're all ready to party. I wish I could go to the club tonight, but the shuttle isn't working and I am not walking at 2 a.m. by myself. I've also done my reading and my workout already. This is me doing my reading and my workouts. The foundation upon which you are building the house of your life will determine the nature of the house itself. Will the house stand? Will it fall apart? Will it lean? Or will it withstand whatever weather nature throws at it? Continuous learning. The trouble with the world is not that people know too much or too little, but that they know so many things that are not so. Mark Twain. Alrighty, guys, I just finished doing my reading. Now I'm about to work. Let's go. But first, let me drink some water. Let me get hydrated, okay? Alrighty, guys, I just finished doing my workout. Now I'm going to take my picture and insert it here. I'm currently out on my little walk. So far, I've done 6,000 steps. Yay me, I'm so proud of myself. This is me doing my little walk. Guys, the sun is going away, so I'm going to hurry and get the sunset. I'm a little sad. I miss the sun, going down. I just saw it when it's basically halfway down the mountain, so underwhelming, but oh well. Thank you guys for watching. Have a super awesome day, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah.